Hey guys, we are here at the Texas Locksmiths Association 2018, getting ready to check out all of the vendors and booths at the convention. They just opened up, so things are just barely starting to get started. We got Keyline USA over here, Ninja Laser, Allegiant, IND, Acme, hey, wave, woo, hey. Disc Cars, Jim over here hanging out at Laser Key Products. Hey, woo! Lots of stuff going on here. Key remotes, Locksmith Resource, #1 technical support, iPhone customers. Hey, how's it going? Don, wave. Hey, Transponder Island, Auto Pro app. Hey, how's it going? Good morning. Got American Key Supply guys over here. What's going on, guys? Woo, 2018. All right, Farmers Combined Insurance Company. Got the HL Flake booth right over here. Marks USA, Olympus and Avis products, Ilco Advanced Diagnostics, Annexer, General Lock, Summit Security, Master Lock over here, tons of stuff. American Van Interiors. Want to make your van look super slick? Check this thing out. Look at all these shelving and products and everything in here.
And they
pretty fancy. DPS, Aloha. How's it going, guys?
good, thank you.
Yep. Coming by here to NTLA. Hey, Master Lock's got a booth, AMSEC's got a booth, everybody's got one. Hey guys, good. So stop by, check it out today. Locksmith Service, and we are at the TLA event, the Texas Locksmiths Association 2018. I'm here with Brad, and he took some of the education classes today, and he's gonna, or over the weekend, Thursday and Friday, and he's gonna give us a little bit of testimonial about the education that TLA provides for people.
It was a awesome classes. I took the social media marketing advertising class that Wayne taught. And it taught me a lot of things that I didn't know that I could use in my social media advertising. Also took the Leashy class yesterday, which was also awesome to help me take our next step in our automotive technology area.
Good. Are you going to come back next year for classes?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Very good, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you. I'm over here, and we are checking out the GL1 Gate Lock. This is a Mortis rim cylinder override, and then it's also got power with a keypad from the other side, so you can do 12 and 24 volt, correct? Fail safe, fail secure. It's also got a Mortis rim. You could key it, or you can just have it blocked off on the inside, so that way nobody can fish anything over and release the latch from the inside. So if you have a pool or any kind of area that you want gated off, you want to have access control over it, this is going to be a great option for you. Thanks for watching. Nice, you got a cup. This is Wayne here with Tri-County Locksmith Service, and we are at the Marks USA booth. I've got Kevin here, and we're checking out some of the hottest products right now. This is my new go-to lock. This is the Marks IQ. You can do tons of stuff with this. It's a great keypad system, completely weather resistant. It's at a great price where we can still make some profit on this thing, and it's a great product that's going to hold up over time. It's super easy to install and a great high security lock system. We've also got their panic bar here. This is actually going to fit on a Von Duprin 99 platform already, so it's nice and easy to install. It's easy to retrofit, so if you've already got a Von Duprin 99 on there, you go ahead and put this on there. It's going to fit right in.
All metal dogging, no plastic or nylon.
No plastic or nylon, so we're not going to strip anything. And instead of having to push the panic bar down, the dogging key is actually going to do it for you. You can move it around. Right here, we've got an anti-ligature lock. These are going to be for mental health facilities, or drug rehab facilities, or any kind of law enforcement facilities, or where they have criminals or anything like that. This is going to be the go-to system for that anti-ligature, and it's, what was it, what's the facility? ADA compliant, and then these are JCO compliant. So JCO compliant locks. This is, when people need this, they need it now, and they need it as fast as you can put it on there. We're going to come over here. This was designed for the school systems, right? So locking position is always on there. It's actually engraved in the lock.
This is the interior side?
Yeah, this is the interior side, so it's going to be for school lockdown, okay? Teacher comes over, locks it down, now they can lock it down. If the school department cannot afford the fancy complete systems, this is a great standalone access option for lockdown facilities. Over here we got the Architect. It looks nice. If people do not want to have a great big giant keypad on their lock and they need mortise body security, this is a great option. I got a key fob remote, green light, lets me in. Retracts the deadbolt too. Notice that the deadbolt's retracted. Prox car, green light, and it goes. And then you also have your manual key override.
Also available in cylindrical.
Right? That's good. Thanks for watching. Get on in with it. If you don't mind being on there, you don't care. You tell me when. Give me a.
Ready. You're going.
All right. This is Wayne here with Tri-County Locksmith Service. I'm with Greg from Allegiant, and this is the newest, latest, and greatest from Schlage. This is a Grade 1 deadbolt called the
Control.
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 And it has no keypad, but it has a credential. So we put that up to there, you get your green lock, and boom. So this is designed for a multi-family system, correct?
Yes.
It's going to be for apartment housing or like
Student housing.
student housing, things like that. So you're going to be able to take these cards and you're going to be able to allow or deny access through the software.
Yes.
And what is the software that runs this?
A couple of softwares, but the Schlage Engage software will work.
Schlage Engage.
Which is free app.
Cool.
And there's some other third-party SAM partners, such as Stratus, and I believe Identicard's coming up, and a few others that allow you to also control it.
All right, cool. And then you guys also have the 9-volt battery down here. In case the battery goes dead, you can jump it from the outside. So very cool product. Thanks for letting me check it out. Have a good day. Product.
Okay. And then
right.
I'll just start recording.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Is it on? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey, this is Wayne here with Tri-County Locksmith Service. I'm with Travis from HL Flake.
Hey, everybody.
And we are checking out the new products. The newest thing that HL Flake is doing is they have AMSEC safes. This is an AMSEC AM home safe, 1/4-inch plate in the door, nice big heavy-duty bolts all the way around. Most importantly, on the top and down at the bottom. Very nice safe. We got an ESL 5 lock on that. What's the price on this one?
$470.
$470. So there leaves a lot of room for profit on this safe. Okay.
We have a new flyer that has all the AMSEC that we have in stock. Just request this next time you place an order.
Excellent. We're going to move right around the table. We're at the TLA convention. Right here we got the hinge doctor. I add $25 to almost every rekey job because I can use this tool to adjust hinges and add more to my invoice. This is a great investment. We got a strong arm mini rig back here. This thing is great. If you're going to do safe work, this should be one of the first investments that you invest in. Got lots of picks, indestructible key cutter, pinning block. This one's really nice. It's got all the grooves to set your cylinders in here. So if you're doing multiple keys and multiple master key systems, this is a great little pinning kit. 1200 Blitz, great machine, great price, right there. This is one of the old tried and true for the industry, HPC 1200. Comes with the cards. A couple nice new things right here. If people don't want to see big blocky keypads like the alarm lock, the Schlage NDE is a great option for that. I am having really good luck with it. It's doing really well in the field, and I've had no issues with this lock right here. Alarm lock is always a tried and true steady lock. You're not going to have any problems with it. It's easy to install, easy to program, easy, easy, easy. This is a new product from Kwikset. We haven't actually had a chance to check this out yet, but it is the Kwikset Obsidian. It came on earlier. There you go. So it'll light up, and there's no keyhole here. So that'll be pretty interesting to check out. As we go around the room, we've got some panic hardware here from Marks. What are these? Command access levers. Is that electrified? Electrified ADA compliant lever lock. Electrified hinges so we can get our power over to our lock. Coming on around over here, 3D Elite, ready to go. One of the best key machines for automotive keys on the market. Come by. If you come by the booth today, spin the wheel, give a like on Facebook, give HL Flake a like on Facebook, go on to Google, give them a review, or follow them on Instagram. You get a spin at the wheel, and you get a prize. Come on around over here. Got some cool hats, they light up. Really, really handy. Different key machines, got some duplicators over here. One of the hottest key machines on the market right now, Condor, X-Horse. Really, really slick machine. That thing's doing its thing. That's a Honda key, right? Pretty cool. All right, come on over here. Got a lot of automotive stuff going on. Stacy's book. If you're going to be doing automotive work, this is practically the Bible to you. This thing is a great book. Stacy did an awesome job. I got a chance to look through this the other day in class, and everything is laid out in all pictures, step by step, multiple different ways how to do the same car with different machines. This thing is one of the best investments you can buy if you're going to do automotive work. Coming back over here to the AMSEC safes, we've got more home safes, something a little more economical for people. This is going to have a keypad, and you're going to have mechanical, like a gun box. These are really great if you're going to have kids around the house and you want to store firearms and things like that. It's going to be a quick access box, and it does not take power. It works off a Kaba Kaba mechanical style lock to actually operate. So you're not going to have electronic failures, and you're not going to have those dead batteries or anything like that. So, thanks for watching, guys. Come check us out at HL Flake. Check out the local TLA convention. Stop by. Thanks for watching. Hey, this is Wayne here with Trey County Locksmith Service, and I am with Barron with Annixter, and we are going to talk about this really cool camera called Arlo.
Yes, so Wayne, Arlo is a completely wireless solution, battery operated. It is completely 100% wire free. No power wires.
No wires.
No wires. It's even movable. So if you don't like where it is today, you can move it.
That's cool.
Very simple mounts that apply to any surface. Move it around. It's got HD quality video.
Nice.
It's got night vision.
Yeah.
Lots of different options, especially for those dealers that want to provide a solution to a homeowner quickly and easily.
Very nice. And then we got weatherproof, HD quality video. What kind of batteries does this take?
That's a great question, Wayne. I don't know.
Probably double A's, huh?
So actually, it's like a watch battery.
Oh, it's watch.
Yes,
okay,
so
they're like the, what are they, 3032s or something?
4 watch batteries stacked on top of each other.
Oh, perfect.
Very economical.
What in average use, how long do these batteries last?
6 months to a year.
6 months to a year. So that's fine. You change your batteries like your smoke alarms
And on your app, it actually shows you what the battery status is.
Cool.
So that way you know when you need to go out and change them.
Right on. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you, Wayne.
Have a good day.
You too.